If you are looking for the best bike lock, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Master Lock 8143D Combination Bike Lock. Bike locks can keep your bike safe if you've parked it on the road. It can also keep it safe at your house from thieves. This bike lock has preset 4-digit combination bicycle lock for keyless convenience. This combination of digits cannot be changed. The bike lock has a protective vinyl coating that prevents the cable from scratching your bike. Strength, flexibility, and resistance to cutting and sawing is provided by this steel cable. For low-risk areas, this lock is great. Self-coiling design for easy use and storage. Number 2. Velo Heavy Duty Bicycle U-Lock. The bike lock includes a rubber casing, heat-hardened steel shackle that protects this lock against cutting and leveraging. The bike has a convenient mounting bracket that ensures safe and compact storage while cycling, so there is no need to carry separate cases to pack this lock. The bike locks also have debris cover that protects this lock from dust and dirt. To prolong the life of your locks and resist corrosion from water, PVC protective coating material is used. This U-lock comes with 2 keys. Number 3. Kryptonite KryptoLok Series 2 Bicycle U-Lock. This lock comes in 2 variations which are both recommended. It has been featured among the best bike locks in the world. It has some anti-rattle bumpers which help in reducing the noise as you ride your bike. The manufacturers have guaranteed that this lock ensures high security levels. This is backed up by a center keyway. On top of that, its rotating dust cover shields the cylinder, implying that this lock offers maximum protection. The lock also features a dual-loop cable for extra security. Number 4. Titanker Bike Lock Cable. This bicycle protects bicycle ATV or other valuables against theft. To get you free from the tension of the keys, this lock comes with 4-digit combination locking mechanism and also has a free mounting bracket for easy transportation. You can set up your personalized number combination on this lock. This bike lock is ideal for bicycles, grills and lawnmowers, sports equipment, skateboards, gates and fences, toolboxes and ladders. Flexible steel cables for strong cut resistance and PVC coating helps prevent scratching and keeping more durable. Number 5. SIGTUNA Bike Lock 16mm Heavy Duty U-Lock. This bike arrives with a 1200mm flex cable as well as a bracket for mounting. It offers a serious security for your bike wherever place you go. This lock is considered secure due to its dual bolt locking technique that it uses. This brings additional protection to the lock. This lock's cable's coat has a soft feel that makes it harder to cut, making your bike safe from thieves. With its heavy-duty design, this lock can be utilized for a long time since it is able to withstand outdoor conditions perfectly. This lock has a very long reach that makes it ideal for securing your bike's wheels.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.